To see how I achieved this gorgeous look of my client face for her birthday shoot, then you want to watch this video to the end because I am going to be teaching you extensively and exclusively how to achieve a flawless makeup on your client's face. Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my channel for the first time today, my channel is about teaching you makeup, so do well to hit the subscription button, give this video a thumbs up, comment and share. Thank you so much. Let's get right into the makeup. So the first thing you want to do is clean your client face, and you can use a micellar water or a wipes, but I use a micellar water in a wipes. You want to clean that very well. Next, go ahead and hydrate the face, which I use the simple hydrating spray that contains aloe vera. Please dry out with a mini fan first, then go on to do moisturizer. Moisturizer is going to pull more hydration to your skin, and your skin is going to be very moisturized and hydrated. After that, you want to apply some primer on the face. This is going to give your foundation a good base to sit on and help your makeup to last longer. Also, do not forget to dry it out. After drying that out, the next you want to do is foundation, and for foundation I'm using the Superstay foundation and the MAC Studio Fix foundation. I'm going to put the number in the description. These two shades helped me to get her exact skin tone and undertone. I applied that with a little brush which is very precise before going in with my beauty brush. Before going in with my foundation brush, sorry, you want to blend this properly onto her skin so that there are no harsh lines. After this, I still went in with my beauty sponge to also get a more seamless finish. Keep watching the video, you see everything I did in the video. If you're yet to give this video a thumbs up, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also share to your friends and family so we can push it to more audience. Do not forget to comment on the video and also give us a subscription. Thank you so much. So next we went on to do some blush. This is going to bring some warmth to her face and colors as well. And you want to apply this on her cheekbone, directly on her cheekbone. And I use the Carenza Beauty lip palette to do this. I picked the shade that I wanted to use that works with her skin tone. Going in with a precise blending brush, you want to apply that onto her skin and make sure to blend properly, because when it comes to makeup, blending is everything. You don't want to have any harsh lines at all. After blending with that, I still went in with my beauty sponge, and my beauty sponge is from Yglam Cosmetics. I want to damp that first so that you're going to have a seamless finish. Next, I went in to do some concealer, and the concealer I'm using is the Yangabeauty concealer in the shade SMC3 and SMC2. Going in with my applicator first, I'll be applying SMC3 first and blend it out before doing my SMC2. And you want to basically apply this under the eye area, on the forehead, the bridge of her nose and her jaw area. Keep watching the video, you see everything I did in the video. Thank you so much. So after blending the SMC3 out, we go ahead to apply the SMC2. You go ahead and also blend this out. If you want to have a seamless finish when blending your concealer for highlight, you want to ask your client to look up, especially under the eye area. This way you're going to fill in all the creasing, which is the fine lines under the eye areas, because under the eye areas, when the person looks down, the eyes is a bit squeezed, so those are the fine lines. When the person looks up and you blend this out, you're going to feel it properly. After doing that, we'll go ahead to set the highlighted area, and for this I'm using the gem. I'm using the Merak setting powder in the shade ginger. You want to go ahead and blend out the under eye area so that there are no harsh lines or any creasing or any fine lines. Then use a precise brush to apply the setting powder. For some people, they use a beauty puff. Some people use even their beauty sponge, which I use either of them, but most times I just want to use my precise brush. This way it gets into the fine lines and fill them very well. After that, we'll go ahead to set the whole of her makeup, the whole of her face, and I'm using a pressed powder from Becharm Ageless. This is a powder palette. You want to pick her exact skin tone. For this one, you're not going to do one shade or two shades, her exact skin tone. After that, we'll pick a color that is two shades darker than her skin tone and contour her face. And we're basically contouring the cheekbone, the hairlines, the bridge of her nose, and also her jaw area. You can see what I am doing in the video, so go ahead and replicate this. You're going to have a seamless finish. This is actually going to bring some dimension to her face. It's also going to bring some shadows to her face. That is the job of contouring the face. Next, go ahead and take out all the loose powder, that's the setting powder from all the areas where you used it in setting, and then go ahead and apply some pressed powder on those areas. These are the highlighted areas actually, and you're going to be doing two shades lighter with the pressed powder. Every place you highlighted, you're going to apply a powder that is two shades lighter than her skin tone. This is actually going to highlight her face, so when light bounces on her skin, those areas are going to be more illuminating and all of that. So take your time and do this very well before we move on to do the next process. Next, go ahead and spray the whole of the makeup to set this and give it a skin-like finish. After that, go ahead and bake the face. This is going to help with eyeshadow fallout and also reverse the contour. Keep watching what I'm doing in the video, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and share. Next, we're going to go right into the eyeshadow work. Starting off strong, we're going to first of all prime the eyes, and for this I'm using the concealer I used under the eye. I'm going to use it to prime her eye to serve as a base for my eyeshadow. Next, going into my African Queen eyeshadow palette from Blossom, I will start transitioning the eyes, and I'm starting with a brown shade. I'm going to be using it to also lift the eyes at the same time. This is going to transition into the major eyeshadow. So when doing your transition, you would need to note that transitions are done with matte eyeshadow, but you can use any color of your choice. It now depends on what you're creating. But it's important to note that transitions are done with matte color, and you transition the eyes on the crease of the eyes. So this way it's going to have a smooth flow into the major eyeshadow, which is applied on the lid. That's why it's called transitioning. So it transitions from the crease of the eyes into the major eyeshadow, which is on the lid of the eyes. Keep watching the video, you see everything I did in the video. Thank you so much. So take your time and blend out the transition very well. Make sure that there are no harsh lines anywhere. You can see what I'm doing, and also connect it with the contour area, which is the nose contour. After that, the next thing we are going to do is to get right into the major eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow I'm doing is actually a glitter here, and I'm going to be starting off first with a clear lip gloss. I'm going to use the clear lip gloss as a glue, like a glitter glue, to hold my loose eyeshadow, which is my pigment or glitter eyeshadow. I can't remember anymore what I used. So apply that on the lid on the of the eyes, and then use a precise brush to pick your pigments or your glitters and apply on the lid of the eye. Try not going too upwards so that you're going to have a very great finish. Just keep watching the video, you see what I did in the video. Next, I went right into the brows, and for the brows I used my Davis pencil in the shade 03. You want to outline the brows and then fill in properly. Keep watching the video, you're going to see everything I did in the video. Thank you so much. After that, go ahead and replicate the same process on the other brow, which is outline and then fill. Try tracing what your client has originally. This way you are not going to take too much time doing brows, and you're still going to end up with a very gorgeous and perfect, lovely looking brows at the end of the day. Next, go ahead and clean out your brow, which is the brow bone, and I'm using the same concealer I use under the eyes, but I'm using just SMC3 because I usually don't want my brow bone looking too highlighted, so I use a shade that is just 1 to 2 shades lighter than my client's skin tone. You want to do that and blend it out properly so that there are no harsh lines between the transition color and then the highlighted area on the brow bone. Am I just the only one that keep getting clients that find it so soothing to sleep when I do their makeup? I feel maybe I do my makeup so softly and so soothing that they find a way to just start sleeping when I'm doing their work. Okay, so after that I went on to prep her natural lashes for the artificial lashes, and for this I'm using the Kissbeauty mascara. Next, I went on to line her waterline. I'm using the Reng Beauty pencil liner. This liner is actually very nice and is actually a waterproof liner. So I applied that on the eyes. But before I did this on the waterline, there was a step I skipped. Not really that I skipped it, but I didn't know my camera wasn't filming, so I had already applied a white liner on her eyes before going ahead to do the black liner. Then I went on to also smudge her waterline with the same eyeshadow I used in transiting her eyes, and you're seeing how beautiful the whole combo is coming out, so you might want to try this. After that, I went on to lift her face. I'm using the precise part of my beauty blender. Next, we went on to do the lip work, and starting off first I'll be outlining it, and I mixed my Heige&esther eye pomade and then my Tehila black liner. I mixed those two together to use it to outline her lips. You can see that I overlined her lips because my client has a very small lip, so I had to overline her lips. But after doing this, you want to blend out properly before going on to do the shade of lip stain that you want to do. And for lip stain, I'll be using my Imagic lip stain, and I'm picking that red shade I want to apply this and then blend it out properly so that it's going to look very beautiful and there will be no harsh line anywhere. Keep watching the video. If you've watched up to this point and you're yet to give this video a thumbs up, please do not forget to give us a thumbs up. It's going to help push our content to more audience. Also comment and share. You can put in the comment section a look you would want me to create or any area of makeup that you're having some difficulties. Put it in the comment section and I'll do well to respond to you and put you through on how to achieve a seamless makeup. Thank you. So go ahead and blend that properly and then apply some gloss, and the gloss I'm using is also a red lippie, but this comes in a gloss form and it's from Nuban Cosmetics. You want to apply that all over the lips, blend out properly. Blending is key in makeup. I keep saying this. If your makeup is not properly blended, then you are not a professional yet. Next, I went ahead to apply some mascara to the lower lashes. After that, I went ahead to do some finishing touches to her face, that's adding more powder and setting her face more and taking out the reverse contour and all of that using my pressed powder, which is the Becharm Ageless. Next, I'll go ahead to top up her blush, and I'm using my Girls Night Out from Veebeauty Cosmetics to top up her blush. Go ahead and top up her blush very well, and then go ahead and apply some highlighter. For highlighter, I'll be using the Revolution blush and highlighter palette, and you want to apply this on her cheekbone, her brow bone, the bridge of her nose, the tip of her nose, her forehead, and then her jaw area. You can see all I'm doing in the video, so please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Go ahead and then set the whole of the makeup to take away every powder effect, and then seal her makeup with a locking spray. And this is the final looks, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating it for you all. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.